I have the 2025 edition of the Lenovo Legion Y700 laptop here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install the Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and the Google Services Framework on this device. With that said, this will also work on older versions of the tablet as well, so this guide will not be limited to the 2025 edition. If you're like me and you have imported this mid-sized tablet with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, then you'll notice that it's going to be made for the Asian market. This means that a lot of what you see is going to be in Chinese, even when you set the language to English during activation. There are also going to be some poorly translated menu items from time to time. And I was unable to find the Google Play Store app at all on my device. It's possible that the reseller had it pre-installed on there for me, since I did purchase it from Giztop and it was already activated when I opened it out of the box, albeit without a user account attached. I did a full factory data reset to make sure that it was completely wiped before signing into any accounts. So again, it is possible that this removed the Google Play Store from the tablet. Either way, let me show you how to install it on these devices. The first thing that you'll want to do is sign into your Google account. I did this by pulling up the Settings app and going through the menu. You can see there is a Google option here. From here, you can sign into your account and just have that part ready. When looking for the Google Play Store, I also found an entry in the Apps section labeled Google Basic Services. So you'll want to go into this menu and enable this feature as well. The description does make it seem like it isn't required, but it's almost assuredly needed, so I went ahead and enabled it from here. Now, we're going to need to install the Google Play Services Framework. I'm getting this from the APK repo website that I trust called APK Mirror, but you can use a different one if it's a source that you trust more. And I'll have these links that I used here today included in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment here, so that they are easy for everyone to find. I will say, when downloading the Google Services Framework app, I just made sure to match the same version of Android that's installed on this Lenovo Legion tablet. So for this 2005 edition, it has Android 15 installed, so I downloaded that version. But again, you should match the version of Android that you have installed on your device. After that, I searched the same website for the Google Play Store. I got the latest version that's available. And then I just made sure that I downloaded the universal option that was also not a bundle. So I made sure it was a universal and that it was just the regular APK file, since I didn't want to mess with a split APK installer just yet. I have seen some folks recommend doing a reboot after installing the Google Play Services Framework app, and others have recommended toggling the Google Basic Services feature on and off a couple of times after you have logged into your account. But honestly, I only made sure to restart the tablet after I installed the Google Play Store app. Once the device boots back up, you should see the Google Play Store application somewhere in your app drawer. And you're already logged in too, so there's no need to do anything else. You can launch it and then immediately begin downloading and installing your favorite apps and games. I have a number of benchmarks that I would like to run on this tablet before I start to mess with any emulation. But I also picked up this interesting gaming accessory. which has the tablet sitting inside here to make it seem like a handheld game console. So I'm really looking forward to checking this out and playing some games on this thing. As always, use the comments section below if you ran into any issues getting the Google Play Store application installed and running on the Lenovo Legion Y700 tablet. And please, do not forget to give this video a like while also subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. I hope you all have a fun weekend, and I'll see you here again next week.